in Christine Benz's voice. Diversification is your buddy. When it comes to investing, there are few things more important than diversification. It's what allows you to spread your risk across different types of investments, so that no single investment can have too much impact on your overall portfolio. And it's what allows you to capture the benefits of different asset classes as they rise and fall over time. If you are not diversified, you're taking on unnecessary risk. And if you're not taking on any risk at all, you are missing out on the potential for growth that comes with investing. As Christine Benz rightly points out, diversification allows investors to spread their risk across different types of investments, capturing the benefits of different asset classes as they rise and fall over time. But what are your thoughts on Benz's assertion that diversification is an investor's buddy? Do you agree that diversification is one of the most important concepts in portfolio management? Or do you think that there are other aspects of investing that are more important? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Please share your insights and opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, we would appreciate it if you could consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the notification bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thank you, and see you on the next video.